Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you binomial theorem, and this theorem is applicable for the expansion of two term functions. Suppose there are two terms x and y in the form of addition or subtraction. Here these two terms are there, and there is a power or index n. Here n is a positive integer, and these x and y are real numbers or some variables. Okay, so according to this binomial theorem, the expansion of this function can be done just like nc0 x power c n minus 0 and y power this 0 plus now nc1. N is what? Index. Here index c0, thereafter c1, thereafter c2 till cn. Okay, and first term whatever this term will have index this n minus here in n minus this one 1, and second term y this will have power whatever just in the suffix of c. So this one plus and so on. Here in last ncn x power n minus n and y power n. Okay. In general form, in general form, what can we write? Here x plus y power n have expansion in the form of sigma for summation n is equal to from 0 to n. Okay, this from 0 to n, NCR, here R is equal to from 0 to R is equal to n. Okay, NCR x power n minus r and y power r. This is your general term. Okay, r this expansion, and what is this? This is a general term. Okay, this is a general term. See, here for first term r should be 0. For second term this r should be what? Just see, for second term r should be what? 1. In this way, here t r plus 1, r plus 1th term will be equal to NCR. See, here r plus 1 means less than 1. So for first r is 0, for second term r is 1, for third r will be 2. In this way, for r plus 1, here this should be r. NCR x power n minus r and y power r. So this is your general term. In this way, tr plus 1, and where this one is called a general term. General term in the expansion of x plus y power n. Okay. Just see. In this way, this is a very most important part in the expansion of x plus y power n. Means in the expansion of x plus y power n, if you have to calculate third term, fourth term, fifth term, any one of the term, then you can directly find by using this relation or this formula. Okay. One more thing. How many total number of terms are there in the expansion of x plus y power n? Where n is the index. So in the expansion of binomial theorem, binomial terms, here binomial means two terms function x plus y power n. In the expansion of x plus y power n or x minus y power n, there will be one more term than to number of index. Means what is this index? Plus 1 total number of terms. So total number of terms are there is equal to n plus 1. Right. So see, if from the expansion you can calculate first term means 0. Thereafter n, starting from 1 to n. So 1 to n terms, and here 0 means n plus 1 terms. So total number of terms are n plus 1. Okay. Now one more thing. If n is odd number, then total number of terms will be even. Suppose n is 5. So how many terms will be there? 6 terms will be there. Okay. If n is 7, how many terms will be there? 8 terms will be there. And if n is 6, then how many terms? 7 terms will be there. Okay. One more thing, that in the expansion of x minus y power n, just see, is equal to nc0 x power n minus 0 y power 0 plus, sorry, at the place of y it is minus y, so y power 1 it is minus nc1 x power n minus 1 y power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 y square minus and so on. Okay. Now see, if you will add, what you will get? If you will add, just see, these two terms will be added, means nc0, 2nc0, x power n, y power 0 is 1. Okay. Now this, y power 1, at the place of odd term, this is 1 at the place of second. So this will cancel out, since it is plus and this one is minus. Here, this third place term will be added. So nc2 x power n minus 2 y square. Similarly, plus nc here 2, 0, 1 is absent, 2 is present. So 3 will be absent, 4 will be present. X power n minus 4. Okay, and y power 4 plus and so on. Means what? 2 into sum of the terms at which places? Sum of the terms at which places? See, this is first place, this is what? Third place, and this is fifth place. So 2 into sum of terms at odd places. Sum of terms at odd places. But if you subtract, then see what you will get. If you will subtract, then what will you get? This will become plus, this will minus, and this will be plus. So this will cancel out, this will remain left. So 2, this and this 2, nc1 x power n minus 1 y plus nc3 now. Okay, x power n minus 3 y cube plus and so on. And these terms are at even places. This is second term, this is fourth term. Okay, in this way, 2 into sum of x plus y power n minus x minus y power n is equal to 2 into sum of terms at even places. Sum of terms at even places. Okay. Now the important thing is that how many terms will be there. Here sum of terms at even places. But how many terms will come there? So if n is odd, then just see. If n is odd number, so total number of terms will be, so in the expansion of x plus y power n and x minus y power n, there will be n plus 1 terms, and since n is odd, so n plus 1 terms, that will be even number. Okay, in even number, suppose n is equal to 5. So in the expansion of this x plus y power 5, there will be 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 terms will be there. Getting or not? So this and this. There are 3 terms at odd places and 3 terms at even places. So in the expansion of x plus y power n minus x minus y power n, there will be 2 into sum of terms at even places. So how many terms are there? So there are n plus 1 by 2 terms. Therefore, here if n is odd, then in the expansion of x plus y power n minus x minus y power n, there will be how many terms? Just see, sum of terms at even places. So how many terms will be there? N plus 1 by 2 terms. 2 terms will be there. Okay. So in the expression of this term, and in x plus y power n plus x minus y power n, how many terms? The same. This much term. This much term, and here also this much term. Okay. Since at the odd places and even places, same number of terms are there if n is odd. Okay. But when n is even, I am taking an example. Okay. If n is even number, let it is 6. Okay. Then total terms will be equal to n plus 1. Suppose 6 is here, then it will be 7. Okay. And in 7, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Very simple. 7 terms are there. Okay. So, see this and this. There are 4 terms. At odd places, while only 3 terms are there at even places. These are at odd places. Okay. So in the expansion of x plus y power n minus x minus y power n, how many terms? Sum of terms at even places. At even places means in the expansion of this, only those terms will come which are at even places. So at even places only 3 means if n is if n is 6, then it will be here even. Then in the expansion of this, here this will be how many terms? N by 2 terms are there. Since n by 2 means 6 by 2 is 3, so only 3 terms. Since you have to take sum of terms at even places, and in the expansion of plus y power n minus x minus y power n. How many terms? 2 into sum of terms at odd places. So n by 2 plus 1 terms are there. Okay, you need to remember these all so that you can solve other questions. I will make a separate video for exercise problems. Thank you so much.